So here we have the unboxing of my new camera that will hopefully propel us barrel to better quality content. We'll see. Will he just make the drinks and drink them and not make any videos? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's open this. Gosh, my left hand is so awkward, but at least the police will know how I hold a knife for like inquiry purposes. Big moment now. Oh yes. Oh yes. So just so you all know, this is a open box camera. So that means somebody bought it, didn't like it, and they sent its ass back. Within these 14 days, I need to figure out why they sent it back and see if it has any faults, because guess what? I'm going to send its ass back. That's right, his ass is going back so fast, its batteries will spin. Yep, I'll be needing that. Ooh, look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see this shit? What? Wait, so this wasn't even, yeah, oh, that's right. You see, so whoever got this, just rip the box off. Yeah, here we have some. Yeah, I'll probably censor their ass off because they didn't give me no discount. But yeah, just in case y'all want to know, this is where I got it from. This is the invoice, yada 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 yada. Okay, I got it for under 500. For the meat and potatoes, boys. So the price is on there, just so you'll see. This is what we wanted right here. So let's take some cinematic shots of this. So, listening. So this camera has in-body stabilization. The sensor moves around to basically stabilize the footage. That's what you're actually hearing there. Don't think you have a broken camera. I'll let you know once I put the battery in if it works. If not, guess what? WEX, I'm sending its ass back to you. That's what's going on. That's what's up. Alright, that's what's up. Alright, anyways, let's check out some more features of this. We've got the battery compartment below. Haven't opened it, but it all looks good. This looks as described, which is open box, so someone had it. It looks brand new. If you look at the screw hole here, at this iPhone focus, hopefully I won't have to worry about focus problems with this camera. Right. Yeah, so I don't know if y'all could see that. iPhone. But the screw holes are brand new. Everything in here looks pretty much brand new. Let's see if the flash pops up. Yep, I am happy that that works. All the dials are very stiff. As you also just know, when I tried flipping the screen with one hand, the entire body fell on its side. I'm happy with the purchase. So once I have it powered up, I'll probably do a review and my first drink with that, and let y'all know how that goes. Okay, it's a nice small compact looking camera. I haven't held it in my hands properly because I've been trying to balance the phone. I should use a tripod, but yeah, as you can see, it is an iPhone. So if it looks shit, yeah, blame Apple. Just kidding,
I got a Mac and an iPad.
Okay, thanks guys, I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing. If you all enjoyed it, click the like button. Your blessings. See you all soon. Bye.